The World Bank says inflation in food prices remains high globally. The bank stated this in its food security update issued on Wednesday. Between December 2022 and March 2023, available data shows high inflation in almost all low and middle income countries. Inflation levels are about 5% in 70.6% of the low income countries and in 90.9% of low middle income nations. It is above 5% in 87% of upper middle income countries, some of which are experiencing double-digit inflation. The report also indicated that about 84.2% of high-income countries were experiencing high food price escalation. The Food and Agriculture Organization FAO earlier said that the index of international food commodity prices declined for the 12th consecutive month in March 2023. This month, the World Bank announced plans to provide $30 billion over 15 months, including $12 billion as part of the efforts to tackle the crisis. The Nigerian Naira on Wednesday weakened to 740 Naira per dollar at the parallel section of the foreign exchange FX market. The figure represents a depreciation of 3 Naira or 0.4% compared to the 737 Naira it traded 2 weeks ago. At the investors and exporters forex window, the local currency appreciated by 0.05% to close at 463 Naira 44 Kaba on Tuesday. The data also show that forex worth $62.69 million was transacted among market dealers. Currently, Nigeria operates two foreign exchange FX markets. One is the official central bank rate, while the other is the parallel street market rate. The Development Bank of Nigeria says it disbursed about 631 billion naira to over 313,000 MSMEs across the country in 2022. The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the DBN, Tony Okpanachi, revealed this at the bank's annual general meeting in Abuja on Tuesday. Speaking on its activities in 2022, Okpanachi said the bank significantly improved its lending in 2022 compared to the 482 billion naira given to 208,000 MSMEs in the preceding year. According to Okpanachi, the credit disbursements represented a 31% growth in financial support and 50% growth in the number of MSMEs impacted. He added that out of the total number of MSME beneficiaries of DBN funds over the 5 years, 67% were women and 27% were young people, with over 250,000 jobs already created. And that's it on Business News. I am Chiamaka Wafo.